Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Kazakhstan. Rames to our Kazakhs friends. And I know that it's been like a long time that we don't have any video reaction to our favorite artist from Kazakhstan, no other than Dimas Kudaibergen. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is a performance of this amazing tenor artist, Placido Domingo, Jose Carreras, Dimas Kudaibergen, and Hoser. The title of the song that they will be performing is My Way, and this song is a very famous one, or let's listen to their like rendition. This performance from Virtuosos 2025, and credit also with the owner of the video, of course, the artist itself, Dimas Kudaibergen. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with Dimas and watch the full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for video commentaries and video reaction purposes. Let's get to it, guys, and enjoy with this. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. And support by sending your super thanks that you can see at my channel, guys. Let's
You're a superhero.
get to it. Enjoy with this and have fun. Wow! Love the orchestra! Oh my God, this is amazing. Wow. Goodness. Even just playing with this, I don't know what's the call of this instrument, you can truly feel that this song, what their rendition will be so nice, because as it started, it's so clean, just playing with the instruments, with those huge orchestra. Wow, it's like I was mind blown directly.
And now the end is near, and so I'll face the final curtain. My friend, I said it clear, I've stayed my gate, of which I'm certain. I've lived an endless fall, I travel each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets.
Wow, how incredible. How those voices, like, goodness gracious, it's like whole, but it's so high that you truly enjoyed. There's like tenor, how they get just those pitches, it's so amazing, those incredible, those insane. I really like it. I can feel it. I know this song is very huge already, it's very classic, but they turn into the something so special and phenomenal and amazing. Wow, goodness, love it.
I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention.
Wow!
Did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway. And more was more than this. I didn't want. There were times I'm sure you when I be told more than I can show. What can it all when there was stopped? I ate it up and spent it all. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. What is a man?
Oh, goodness gracious. Those part, I think that's Italian, right? Because this song, I think it's originally an Italian song. And it's so amazing how they turn it so beautiful. Those like melody that they just giving the taste of this amazing and incredible song, it make it so wonderful to listen. And you truly enjoyed listening with this amazing three artists. Wow! Goodness gracious, I truly enjoyed listening with this one. Like going back again because I heard this song back in my childhood, but hearing with this again and again, the more it make it so crisp, delicious, good, and amazing and brilliant how they just put something into it that it make it so different. How they must take it this one, it's mind blowing. And yeah, it's like bravo to this amazing artist. I'm loving it.
What has he done? If not
God.
himself, then he has known to say the things he truly did. And not the words of one who needs the rapper
God.
I took the blood and did it my way. The Lord is the Lamb. What has he got? If not himself, then he has none to say the things he truly did. And not the
Sorry to cut it off, guys. What I observe with this amazing artist is like they just respected with each other of their individual tone, individual voices, especially Dimas. I can see him like he just respected with these two amazing artists in the world. And like their melody, their blending that they're giving with each other is like pleasing to your ear. There is something so beautiful and unique with this one, how they just turn so nice with this amazing song. And I'm loving listening with it. It's like you were in a huge concert and then just watching and enjoying with this, closing your eyes, listening with this amazing song as Jesus turned into so wonderful. Wow, loving it. That's how you do it. God. Wow, that was incredible. So brilliant. I wish that the end part, there should be a last word my way. They just ended up high. I don't know, guys. But they just stop it directly. I don't know. That's the last end of their part, how they just turn that one. But respect to this amazing artist in the world. They must also like give something so to make a level with them, because these two guys, these two highest tenors in the world, are they are so amazingly great already, and now giving Dimas also a taste of Dimas with this amazing huge song turned something so beautiful and wonderful to listen. I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one, because I enjoyed it so much. My heart is full watching and listening with this one. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Dimas or any artist from the world, or any Kazakhs artist that you want me to react, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. And support also with my channel by sending your super thanks. Thank you so much, guys. Ramet and mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless, and see you in the next video reaction. Bye-bye, guys.